There are hedge fund managers making $1 million an hour. I know it's crazy, right? It's money everywhere. It's money in everything. I want to help you. Start your business today. Come join my royal family. Subscribe to Casino Is the Name. Hey, yo, what's going on right now? You're watching Casino Is the Name, and I just wanted to come to you guys and tell you about my refinance. So I refinanced my house. I already had a 3.45% interest rate, and I did it almost 4 years ago. And as soon as I refinanced my house, the interest rates, they started shooting up. And I was told that I would never see the interest rate that I got again. So be happy that I got it locked in, because interest rates were going to rise and they weren't going to come back down that low again. And I had heard sometime in between in that 4 years that interest rates had dropped down to the threes again. But I just wanted to come to you guys and tell you guys that my interest rate is in fact below 3.45%. That's right. My interest rate is currently, my new interest rate is 2.75%. That's crazy. So the Fed dropped the interest rate to the banks to 0%. And so of course you can get some pretty good interest rates right now. But I keep hearing rumblings that the housing market is not going to be doing so well, because they're actually changing, banks I guess are changing the rules on what it takes to even get a mortgage in the first place now, because of this whole epidemic and things like that. So whatever you can do right now to take advantage of any of the benefits that are going on right now, please take advantage. This is a crazy time that we're living in. If you are someone who's eligible for unemployment and you are not, you got laid off your job and you're eligible for unemployment now, please go apply for unemployment. Do whatever you can for your families right now. A lot of people are too prideful. They're too proud to go get unemployment. They'd rather be broke almost or something instead of going and getting their unemployment. Your stimulus checks, I hope you guys got your stimulus check if you're eligible. Not everybody's eligible for a stimulus check. I know a lot of people in Florida especially were saying that their stimulus checks didn't come to them. They actually went to the place that did their refund for them. And so it's a bunch of mess going on, man. But I hope you guys got your stimulus checks. I hope they pass this other stimulus plan where they're going to give everybody like $2,000 a month, from 17 years old and up. That's what I'm hearing. I got to go back and look and check the facts on all of that, but that's what I'm hearing. But I just wanted to come to you guys and tell you how I got a 2.75% interest rate. So my home is a VA loan. So there's a VA IRRL loan, interest rate reduction loan. I don't know. I think it's 3 R's. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure what all the R's are. But I think it's called the VA interest rate reduction loan. Guys, go do some research on that. They'll refinance your house, drop the interest rate. If the interest rate is going to be lower than what it is, they don't even pull your credit. They don't pull your credit. They don't come out and do an appraisal. They run everything off of whatever you got approved on. Now, this was not a cash out refinance. I did not want to take cash out of the house. I just wanted to reduce the interest rate, and I think it's going to take, from trying to go off the top of my head right now, but I did the numbers, because you do have to pay closing costs. I mean, you don't pay them out of your pocket. They finance it in, but I think the closing cost was like $6,000. And it will pay itself off in 5 years or so, because the amount that is going to reduce my mortgage is going to pay that off in the next 5 years or so. And so after the 5-year mark, everything is a plus. Everything is, a plus. And then when you're looking at another 25 years or so, or 20 years or so, I'm going to have a savings. But I instantly save. Also, my next month mortgage payment is not due. And so I skip a month, so I get to hold on to that mortgage payment, and then it's going to be automatically lowered. So I'm happy about that. And I believe also my escrow gets kicked back to me. Whatever I already have in escrow gets kicked back to me because they're creating another escrow account and things like that. But I am excited to get a 2.75% interest rate. That is almost 0%. That is almost nothing on on a house. It's crazy. I actually have another house. I want to see if I can get an IRRL on that loan as well. That one is at 4.5%, but I got it, years ago. But it is an investment property, so I don't know. I'm gonna look into that though. I'm gonna look into that. Anyway, right now you're watching Casino Is the Name, man. Do whatever you can to take advantage of every benefit that you can. Do not sleep out here, people. Feel me? Anyway, right now you're watching Casino Is the Name, man. I'm out.
Beat me up, Scotty.
Me and her together, we just count it up. Money on my mind, I can't get enough. Don't play with my money, you don't want no beef. Cause I come from the bottom, I come from the street. When she first saw me, she said, who is that? When a man saw me, he called me a threat. I'm the one that really live, wanna rap. They ain't never did it, they ain't really trap.
Say you want to be successful. Well, what's stopping you? Can't nothing stop you from being successful except for you. You standing in your own way. I came from the bottom. I ain't know nothing but the grind. You can't tell me nothing about that. I called the bus at Basin Street Projects in Tallahassee, Florida. You hear me? I used to think $1 million would last me my whole life. I'd have made that and spent that. $1 million ain't enough.
There are hedge fund managers making $1 million an hour. You know, it's crazy, right? There's money everywhere. There's money in everything. I want to help you. Start your business today. Come join my royal family. Subscribe to Casino Is the Name.